how to play YouTube in background on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can play YouTube in background on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, playing YouTube in background is actually quite simple, but for this you first need to make sure that you have YouTube Premium. So if you don't have YouTube Premium, then you will not be able to do this. Make sure you have YouTube Premium, and you just come to the U option from here, and then you tap the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on that gear icon, just go to this option here known as settings, and if you have YouTube Premium, you'll find this option here that says picture in picture. So make sure to just tap the picture in picture option, and after you have done that, next time whenever you play a certain video, you can also play this YouTube in background even while your screen is off. You can see if I just minimize it, the video will still play. This way you can play YouTube in background. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.